Hello everyone. So today let's learn how can you turn your normal speech into an effective speech. Now you must be thinking, what is an effective speech? It's basically an advanced version of your normal speech. It is basically used to attract your audience by your effective speech. So there are 5 main pointers that you should always keep in your mind while you are speaking an effective speech. The first pointer is voice modulation. Now, voice modulation is basically when you are speaking in a high tone or a low tone. Now, let's take an example of this situation. Oh, you broke my favorite glass. Now I'll punish you. I'm sorry. Please don't punish me. That was just an accident. So, in the first part, you can see that person is speaking in high tone. But in the second part, that person is speaking in a low tone. Cause that person is regretting. And in that first part, that person is scolding someone. In many ways, this high tone and low tone could be used. Now, let's move on towards voice changing. From the name, you could have understood that we are going to change our voice over here. So, let's take an example of, oh Rahul, I forgot my lunch today. Could you share some of yours? Of course, Ria. But tell me, did your mother also pack your lunch? So, in the first part, I am speaking in my real voice. But in the second one, I am speaking in a deeper voice. So, this is how you can change your voice in many ways. Now, let's come on pauses. Pauses are basically of many types. First is dramatic, second is suspense, third is long, fourth is long, and the fifth one is worried. Now, let's see. So, let's take an example of dramatic pause. It is, oh Rahul, I forgot my lunch today. Could you share some of yours? So, in this one, before saying, could you share some of yours, I am taking a short pause and as well as an dramatic pause. Because we are saying in dramatic line, oh Rahul, I forgot my lunch today. Could you share some of yours? So, oh Rahul, I forgot my lunch today is a dramatic line, and after that the pause that we are taking is a dramatic pause. So, the other things we will discuss later. Till then, stay tuned with my channel. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe.